This dunya was filled with the darkness of disbelief and disobedience. Then our merciful Prophet ﷺ came and lightened this world, illuminated this world with his mercy. At that time, ignorance had reached its peak. People were burying their daughters alive. Allahu Akbar. Then it was the mercy of Rasulullah ﷺ that came, and he gave the glad tidings to his ummah that your daughter is a mercy from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Your daughter is a means of you entering into paradise. Now when that daughter became a wife, she completed half of the iman of another man. And then when that daughter became a mother, paradise was laid beneath her feet. Subhanallah. This was the mercy of our merciful Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wa alihi wasallam, who came and gave each and every individual their rights. He gave women their rights. He gave children their rights. He gave parents their rights. He gave the neighbors their rights. This was the mercy of Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wa alihi wasallam. Therefore, we should be grateful and show gratitude to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala for bestowing this great mercy in the form of Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wa alihi wasallam upon us.